AAA Heating and Cooling, keeping you and your family comfortable and helping you to breathe easier for over 50 years. Visit us at AAAIAQ.com.
Every home has problems like odors, germs, and chemicals in the air. The Guardian Air actively purifies every cubic foot of air and all the surfaces in your entire living space at the same time. With the Guardian Air installed, you can smell the difference. As we tighten up our houses to make them more energy efficient, we inadvertently trap air quality contaminants inside. We spend as much as 90% of our time indoors, where the EPA says typical pollutant levels may be 2 to 5 times higher than outdoor levels. Dust, dander, and pollen can cause allergy problems. If a family member gets sick, those germs are passed around the home from person to person. Mold grows in places like your bathroom, basement, and air conditioning system, creating a health risk. Odors from pets, cooking, and many household items linger in the air for days at a time.
I love to cook fish, but the smell in my kitchen would last for hours and hours. But once I had the Guardian Air installed, the odors just seemed to disappear right away.
RGF's PHI and REMI technology, used in the Guardian Air, plays an important role in many industries. Large food processing companies use it for food sanitation. Major cruise lines use it on their ships for protection from the Norwalk or cruise ship virus. Large hotel chains use RGF technology to eliminate odors in their guest rooms throughout the world.
This technology is really one of the few in my whole career that I've had the opportunity to evaluate that virtually always exceeds my expectations. Every challenge that we've thrown at this technology, it's met exceeding any expectations that we had going in.
The Guardian Air has been lab tested and proven to reduce the germs in a sneeze by 98% before they travel 3 feet. Because of the system's proactive ability to kill bacteria and viruses in the air and on surfaces, Guardian Air units have been specified in the norovirus and MRSA protection plans of America's largest restaurant chains, public schools, assisted living facilities, doctors' offices, and hospitals. There are over 1 million RGF products using this technology in operation around the world today.
Hi, I'm John Herring, the CEO here at the club at Admirals Cove in Jupiter, Florida. Shortly after the hurricanes in 2005 and 2006, we immediately contacted RGF Environmental and purchased the Guardian Air system and did the installation throughout the entire clubhouse and our in-rooms, immediately noticing a tremendous difference in our air quality throughout the entire operation. And we only have RGF Environmental to thank.
The Guardian Air PHI process uses a broad-spectrum UV lamp targeted on a unique quad metallic catalyst. When the UV light in the system reacts with the catalyst, airborne oxidizers, like hydro-peroxides, are created. Similar to hydrogen peroxide in the brown bottle you buy at the drugstore, these vaporized hydroperoxides kill viruses, bacteria, mold spores, and break down any odor molecules or chemicals in the air. When your mother told you to go play outside, she knew what she was talking about. Outside air is fresh due to an abundance of naturally occurring hydroperoxides. RGF's Guardian Air brings the feeling of fresh outdoor air to the inside of your home while never exceeding the natural outdoor levels. When the fan in your HVAC system is on, it distributes hydroperoxides through the ductwork out into the rooms in your home. Whenever an oxidizer finds a microbe or an odor, it destroys the pollutant, leaving you just the fresh air you want. The Guardian Air is literally purifying every cubic foot of air in your entire home and doesn't require the contaminants to pass by the unit in the ductwork. RGF's Guardian Air with REMI technology installs in your HVAC system. When the unit turns on, it produces ionized hydrogen peroxide molecules, which are distributed to every cubic foot of air in your entire home. Every time an ionized hydrogen peroxide comes into contact with bacteria, viruses, mold spores, VOCs, and odors, it quickly breaks down and destroys the air quality contaminant on the spot. The system also passes a charge off to all the dust, dander, pollen, and particulates in the air, which causes them to stick together. That increase in size will make your existing filter equipment more efficient at capturing these particles. The Guardian Air is literally purifying every cubic foot of air in your home at the same time. Guardian Air products are distributed exclusively by a select network of certified HVAC contractors.
AAA Heating and Cooling is a certified HVAC contractor approved by RGF Environmental to install this amazing product. Contact us today to schedule your installation.